headed to India with some naivety, 2 backpacks, and very little knowledge of a country that would quickly become my home. I'd been looking for somewhere that would help me understand shamanism more, as well as gain deeper knowledge into yoga. While India didn't offer both, I chose to go anyway. It wasn't long before I started hearing the word Ayurveda everywhere, and it sparked my curiosity when I realized its holistic value, the main reason I'd been studying shamanism. During my yoga training, I was introduced to it briefly, but it was just the beginning of what lay ahead. I took advantage of the cheap books and vast selections that were available at my fingertips. I poured myself into understanding this ancient medicine. There were 2 main reasons I chose to stay in India and not return to Australia: helping the animals and wanting to absorb everything I could about the motherland and its 5,000 years of wisdom. It took me a few years to find the final piece of that puzzle, and I began training under the guidance of my Ayurvedic doctor. It was what cemented all that self-study with a knowledge of what Ayurveda was all about. A few more years and I was teaching it in yoga teacher training schools. But what it taught me was that the most important thing was my own self-care, to govern my mind through what I digest and to heal myself from the root of the problem. When I'm creating a new recipe, thought always, of course, goes into the ingredients. But now with this additional knowledge, I'm aware of what works best for my body. Ayurveda has obviously withstood the test of time and will remain to be a part of me. I think the most beautiful thing about Ayurveda is that it's taught me to really understand myself. I've noticed since arriving in Mexico that there is less holistic value here than in India. And I guess that helps me to understand why I'm here. And I hope that my knowledge, that all the years of training and all the practices that I've done and testing on myself, that this is going to help other people, that I can take the knowledge that I have gained and spread that amongst people that really also need this in their life.